the other countries to attend the AFA socials. Should we dress down in some countries? Should we leave the expensive watch at home? Is it okay to wear around town or dress however you want, my friend? I mean, I've seen guys go to socials where they're wearing a full-on suit and tie, guys that are just wearing jeans and a t-shirt, you know, jeans and a polo, slacks and a polo. You just be, so you want to look nice. You don't want to show up in, you know, your ratty jeans and your beach bum t-shirt. But there's no required dress code. I mean, we have guys from Texas and the Midwest, they show up in their jeans and their, you know, their button-up shirt tucked in with their belt buckle and their cowboy hat, you know, and that's their jam. I mean, you see a couple of the guys getting out, you know, everyone's dressed nicely. Business casual might be an appropriate option.
I have helped hundreds of the men that have gone on trips to find love get prepared in advance. So if you're planning a trip or you're just dating in general and you're here just to get info, every man needs these basic things so that you can make a great first impression. Now, one of the things that I find when I take men shopping or go through their closets, and I do this over Skype, is that they really don't have good basics that they can just take on a trip, roll up in a bag, and go out and make boom, 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 great first impression. One is good jeans, right? If you have jeans that give you a baggy butt and you look like grandpa pants, it's just not gonna work. You need fitted jeans that aren't too tight, and you don't want to have bulge if you have a little bit of a belly. So make sure you get your pair of not real faded. These are like a basic blue. They go with black. They go with everything. Sweaters, and you can dress them up or dress them down. So guys, make sure your jeans aren't old school. The other thing that every man needs is a jacket, black preferably. A basic pair of black flat front pants, which make men look 10 pounds thinner, along with a jacket made out of material that you can roll up in a suitcase and pull it out, and it won't have a lot of wrinkles. And some great shirts to pop with jeans and your black slacks, so that you can bring maybe 10 items on a trip. A couple cardigan sweaters, a jacket, an overcoat, maybe a scarf, and some great accessories, and you're gonna look like $1,000,000. And bring some great shirts that you can wear with your jeans or slacks so that you always look put together and sharp. Women do look at your style, the way you hold yourself, the way you walk. So it's very important for you to feel great in the clothes that you wear, especially colors that pop. And it's always nice to have a great black shirt to go, to dress it up a little bit for more formal dates. And also make sure that you have comfortable shoes for walking and a pair of basic black shoes so that you put the whole look tied together so you look like a gentleman. And make sure that you come smelling good, and make sure you use moisturizer on your skin. Want more tips? I will give you a whole list of everything that you need to prepare for dating and for traveling if you're looking for the love of your life. This is Renee Piane, your coach on AFA, and you can email me so I can give you that free report. I hope this helps.
Are you interested in meeting the love of your life? A woman with traditional values?
Check out our website at mydreamasian.com.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.